This is the part 3 of unit 3, that is event handling. Third video is uploading here. In this video we will see the live example of this program. So before that we will see how many types of event objects will be generated. Various event classes that are defined in java.awt.event class are: an action event object is generated when a component is activated. For example, if a button is pressed, a menu item is selected, then this event occurs. An adjustment event object is generated when scroll bars are used. When we are using scroll bars, the adjustment event object is generated. A text event object is generated when text of the component or text field is changed. When you are changing the content of the text field, text event is generated. A container event object is generated when components are added and removed from the container. Component event object is generated when component is resized, moved, hidden and or made visible. The component event is generated. An item event is generated when an item from the list is selected. For example, a choice is made or if checkbox is selected. A focus event object is generated when component receives the keyboard focus for input. A key event object is generated when key on the keyboard is pressed or released. A window event object is generated when window is activated, maximize or minimize. Mouse event object is generated when mouse is clicked, moved, dragged and released. We will see the example how this event handling will occur. So here in the first program, only using this AWT controls, we have created a simple program. So I will run the program and show the output. See here, which are these controls? These are the labels. So enter first number and enter second number. These are the labels. These are the text field and one button is there. So here public class name extends applet. We are creating the labels. So L3 we are created as a blank label. So for storing this, answer of this add. So here in this program we are not using this L3 but text field T1, T2, button B1, public void init. Always in the applet init method, all the object creation is done. That's why we are creating all the control object. L1 equals new label and label name is enter first number, L2 enter second number and T1 new text field, T2 new text field and L3 label blank we are created and B1 equal to new button add. Name of the button is add we are created and we are not setting any of the layouts. By default the flow layout is there but we are not setting any layouts. That's why we are passing as null parameter. We are placing the controls by setting the location. Which method you are using? Set bonds method. L1 set bonds 30, 50. 30 means this difference and 50 means Y difference and 150 20 means this is a 150 and its height is 20. Same thing T1, L2, T2 and B1 and next we are setting this L3 here in this program we are not using. And after creating all the controls we are adding these controls to the applet L1, T1. How you are placing the controls like the you can see the output. So L1 के बाद T1 रखा, L2 के बाद T2 रखा. So how you are placing, like that only you can say it here. Is it clear? So this is a simple program we are created. What? Label and text field. In next program we will see that event handling, that is clicking first number, entering first number, second number. When I am clicking add button, the answer should be displayed in here. So we will see here how this. So I am running this. So I am placing here 52 and then 12 and clicking on this add button. Sum is 64. 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 1 6, 64. Is it clear? So this is what event handling. Adding, click by pressing on the add button, the answer should be displayed. This is event handling. We will see in the program how it is done. So here same program is there. So listener, for event handling you must import this java.awt.event package. So here previous program is there. So I am writing here implements action listener, because action listener is a interface. For interface we are using this implements keyword. So for that we are the previous program only and added all the controls. So here which object, what is the object name of this button? So B1. So by clicking on this button, the answer should be displayed. So where to add the listeners? This button I have to add the listeners. So that's why object dot add type listener object. So here B1 dot button है, इसके लिए हम लोग are using this action listener. So B1 dot add action listener. So I have told that listener is an interface. So interface means what? It contains the abstract method. You must implement the method, otherwise that whole class is become the abstract class. So this method action listener contains the method, that is action performed. You must implement this method. Is it clear? So this action performed method contains the action event object as a parameter. So public void action performed action event. So here what how to retrieve the content of the this text field. So what is the object of this one? Text field T1. To retrieve the content of the text field, we are having the method that is getText. So how to retrieve this first text field? So T1 dot getText. Is it clear? So T1 dot getText, and then this whatever the number you are retrieving, this is the type of this is in the type of string, because Java takes always the value as a string. You are supposed to convert it into the integer. That's why you are using the wrapper class, that is integer dot parseInt. Is it clear? So whatever the text numbers you are entering here, that numbers you are converting into the integer and placing in the variable a. Same thing, suppose I want to retrieve the content of this text field is what? What is the object of this text field? T2. So T2 dot get text and convert it into the integer and storing in the variable b. And we are taking the one more variable, that is to store the sum of the values, that is what s equals a plus b. And after that I have to set the sum is here. That's why to set the text we are having the method set text. So L3 किधर प्लेस करने का मेरे को? L3 के अंदर. So that's why L3 dot set text equals sum is, again I am converting integer into string and placing here. So that's why string dot value of s. So that is value of s is what? 64. It is placing. So this is what the event handling. When you are using button, you have to add how to the button you are using, that time you have to use this action listener. So we will see all the listeners with the examples, then the concept will be cleared. Is it clear, students?